వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏపీఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్కి సంబంధించి నేను ఇప్పటిదాకా 18 వీడియోస్ మీకు అందివ్వడం జరిగింది. అండ్ ఇది నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో. సో ఈ వీడియోలో మరికొన్ని బిట్స్ నేను మీకు ఇచ్చే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాను. సో ఇది సోషల్ అండ్ కల్చరల్ హిస్టరీ ఆఫ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్కి సంబంధించి ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ అన్నమాట ఇవి. సో ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ బిట్ చూద్దాం. మాలతి చందూర్ ran a feature in Telugu in Andhra Prabha Weekly from 1950 onwards. What was the title of the feature? Answer: Pramadavanam. Okay. Next question. In Telugu, what was the first novel on untouchability? Answer: Hilavati. Next question. Which Dalit work is treated as a Dalit manifesto? Answer: Gabilam. Next question. Vijaya Ramagana Patashala at Vijayanagaram was upgraded as a music college in 1953. One well-known cinema playback singer was a product of this college. Who is she? Answer: P. Susila. Next, which of the following places was fixed basing on the majority members of the assembly as a capital of Andhra state? Answer: Kurnool. Next question. On which date the Andhra state bill received the assent of the President of India? So answer: 14th September 1953 is the right answer. Next question. Next question. Vishalandhra concept of merging the Sircar districts, ceded districts and Telangana district was whose idea? Answer: Ayyadevara Kaleswar Rao. Next question. Which of the following leaders of Telangana felt that Telangana state would last long as a separate state? Answer: K.V. Rangareddy. Next question. When was the gentleman's agreement was entered into between Andhra and Telangana leaders? Answer: February 20, 1956. Next question. Who inaugurated the unified state of Andhra Pradesh on November 1956? Answer: Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. When was Ravindra Bharati, an auditorium constructed in Hyderabad during Ravindranath Tagore's birth centenary year, declared open by Vice President S. Radhakrishnan? Answer: May 11th, 1961. Next question. What was the major social change noticed in 1983 in AP state politics? Answer: non-Congress party assuming power with a high majority. Next question. Who was the chief minister of Congress party government after winning the elections into assembly in 1946? Answer: Prakasham. Next question. Which eminent woman authored the book Abala Sacharitra Ratnamala? Answer: Bandaru Achamamba. Next, by becoming the first graduate in Andhra, who was the woman that set an ideal example to entire women of Andhra? Answer: Rukmini Lakshmipati. Next, where was the earliest women's association established in 1902 under the leadership of Koti Kalapati Sithamma? Answer: Rajamandri. Next, who was the first lady member of a legislative council in the world? Answer: Muthu Lakshmi Reddy. Next question. when Gandhiji asked for donation among the women of Andhra, who was the first to come forward and gave away all her gold jewelry? Answer: Maganti Annapurnamma. Next, during non-cooperation movement, which young lady translated Gandhiji's speech into Telugu? Answer: Durgabai Deshmukh. Next question. During the Quit India movement, which of the following women faced Lathi charge at Peddapuram? Answer: Guvuri Subbamma. Next question. Who was the president of the Jamindari Riots Conference at Chirala on January 21, 1941? Answer: Bharati Devi Ranga. Next question. Which woman earned a good name by distributing proscribed literature during freedom movement? Answer: Dronam Raju Lakshmi Bayamma. Next question. Who initially opposed separate Andhra movement? Answer: S. Hanumantarao. Next question. Where did the first conference of Andhra Mahasabha was held on May 26, 27, 1913? Answer: Bapatla. Next question. Andhra Provincial Congress Committee was granted by Annie Besant in Calcutta Congress with the active support of Lokamanya Tilak in 1917, who was made the president of this committee. Answer: Nyapati Subbarao. Next, the differences between the leaders of Rayalaseema and Sarkar districts were sorted out and a formula was evolved. By what name it was known as? Answer: Sri Bag Pact. Next question. At which place Potti Sriramulu's fast unto death took place? Answer: at the residence of Bulusu Sambamurthy in Madras. Next, which is the first state in the country to give statutory status to SC/ST subplan? Answer: Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Before his unfortunate demise, for how many days Potti Sriramulu was on the fast? Answer: 58 days. Next question. During which moment was Andhra Jatiya Kalashala started? Answer: Vande Mataram మూమెంట్. సో ఇవి ఈ రోజుకి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్. అండ్ మరికొన్ని బిట్స్ మరొక వీడియోతో నేను మీకు కలుస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై హింద్.